Hi all, welcome to Clear and Concise. Let's have a look at this question. Here, modulus of z minus a by z plus a is equals to 1. We need to find a region where this equation is satisfied. For that, let's write modulus of z minus a by z plus a is equals to 1. That can be written as modulus of z minus a divided by modulus of z plus a, that is equals to 1. Reorganizing it yields modulus of z minus a, that is equals to modulus of z plus a. Now let's substitute z equals to x plus iy, that yields modulus of x plus iy minus a, that is equals to x plus iy plus a. Here a is a real number. Reorganizing the terms yields modulus of x minus a plus iy, that is equals to modulus of x plus a plus iy. We know modulus of some complex number is square root of real number square plus imaginary square. So square root of x minus a whole square plus y square, that is equals to square root of x plus a whole square plus y square. So squaring both sides yields x minus a whole square plus y square, that is equals to x plus a whole square plus y square. Expanding the terms yields x square plus a square minus 2ax, that is equals to x square plus a square plus 2ax. So sending this term other side yields x square plus a square plus 2ax minus x square minus a square plus 2ax equals to 0. Plus x square minus x square plus a square minus a square gets cancelled. We will have 4ax is equals to 0, that yields x equals to 0. X equals to 0 is y axis. So the correct answer is option B, y axis.